Buying your first bike. Bro, I made so many stupid mistakes that cost me money and headaches. Here are the 5 things I wish someone told me before I bought my first motorcycle in 2026. What's up, riders? It's generated rides, bikes, cars, and pure engine noise. In the next 2 minutes, I'm dropping the real talk every beginner needs to hear. Let's go. Number 1, don't buy based on looks only. That super cool sports bike looks fire, but if you're a new rider, it can be too powerful and dangerous. Start with something manageable, like a 150 to 250cc. Number 2, always check the service cost. Some bikes look cheap to buy, but their parts and maintenance will drain your pocket every 3 months. Ask the mechanic before you pay. Number 3, test ride in traffic, not just on highway. Many bikes feel amazing on empty roads, but become painful in city stop-and-go traffic. Comfort matters more than top speed when you ride daily. Number 4, buy proper riding gear first. Helmet, jacket, gloves, spend good money here. Cheap gear fails when you actually need it. Your skin is more important than saving a few bucks. Number 5, most important, join a riding group early. You'll learn faster, stay safer, and actually enjoy the hobby instead of riding alone and making rookie mistakes. So remember these 5 things before you buy your first bike. It will save you time, money, and maybe even your life. Which mistake did you make when buying your first bike? Drop it in the comments. If this helped, smash like, comment first bike, and subscribe for more honest bikes and cars tips every week. See you in the next one. Ride safe.